Yeah, you gonna be there bad.
Yeah.
I go be chop you. As you see me chop that old guy, I go chop you and you no go feel me. You no go feel me. Oh, I tell you something. If you dey laugh, I don't even blame you. Like, you like, when laughing as your hobby, as in the day where I go chop you, your life never remain the same. Stupid guy.
Guy, I'm gonna don't give my man now.
Guy, if I don't chop you, if I don't chop you like this.
Huh? Ah, eh. My guy. Jesus. Hey. Ah, eh. This man, I don't die because I you go. Omo. My guy, don't I saw you. You see what you mean yourself. But this kind of hunger, God, you too much. Even they even thought like shop like bread. Welcome. Where will you buy your water me now? My guy, IBU.
Yeah, it's what's up, buddy.
Go belu, ya kanina cho. Kesi be yebena.